Welcome to day 12 of our summer sketches. Everybody, today we're making a donut. We're gonna use the number 0. We're gonna use a big 0 and a little 0. So let's get started with our big 0. Okay, and we're gonna do a small 0 in the center. And guys, my circles and zeros aren't perfect, but we're not perfect, are we? So I'm gonna start drawing a squiggly line, okay? This is gonna be all the way around the edge, a nice little squiggly line, just have fun with it. And then we're gonna do the same thing, but closer to the center. Okay, a little squiggly line. Boom! Do you see the donut starting? Now, my boys' favorite donuts are the frosted ones with sprinkles. So I'm gonna draw in some sprinkles here, little triangles, what am I saying? Little rectangles is what I'm doing. Nice little random, they're facing different ways, and they're all gonna be different colors, but we are just making some sprinkles on our frosting. Now, if your favorite donut is just chocolate frosted, then you go right ahead and you color in this frosting part here, brown for the chocolate, and call it a day. But we like the strawberry sprinkles. I actually prefer the vanilla or the chocolate sprinkles, but today I'm gonna draw it pink for strawberry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and outline. And remember, kiddos, if you need to adjust anything, that's why I like to draw in pencil first, okay? Now I'm gonna go back and outline each of these little sprinkles. Little sprinkles of goodness here. And kiddos, if you haven't heard, we are doing a really neat art giveaway of a bunch of different art supplies. And one of you could win over $100 worth of art supplies. So what you can do is tell your parents or ask your parents to go over to my Instagram and they can see how to enter to win $100 worth of art supplies. I've been really loving using markers that a friend of mine sent me as a gift, and it made me want to send one of you guys something. So now I'm going to go in and erase my pencil marks. And there we go. Now I'm going to pick out a nice pink color for my frosting. I think this one's going to be good. And I'm just going to go ahead and color it in without coloring on those sprinkles. Now, if you wanted all your sprinkles to be dark colors, you can color this and then just do little lines over dots. Ooh, yeah, they have those pretty dot sprinkles. That would look cool. I want you to just use your imagination and make whatever kind of donut you'd like. And I would love to see your guys' drawings. You could go to my Instagram page and your parents could send me a picture of your drawing, or you could go to my website and use my email. So either one, I would love to see your drawings. This is looking so cute. I guess what I like to do is the longer parts, the longer strokes of the marker, and then go in and do the little smaller parts second. I have to be a little bit more careful. This is making me want to have a donut. What about you guys? And I have this color right here that might just be perfect for a donut. Let's see. Oh yes, that looks just like a donut. Okay, this is one of my favorite drawings so far, I think, you guys. This donut is just too cute. And now we're just gonna do some sprinkles. What color sprinkles should we do? I'm gonna say blue blue sprinkle, a couple blue, and I'm just picking random colors, random little sprinkles. I'm thinking we're gonna have a green sprinkle. Let's do a yellow sprinkle. Do they have purple sprinkles? They do now. Look at this cute donut. Oh, I hope you guys give this one a try. It's just too cute and it looks good enough to eat. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch.